To create project-based content, access www.blinklearning.com and log in with your username and password. From the Content tab, click on the new content icon located in the side toolbar. Select Project and complete the required fields. Add a title and, if you want, a description, a subject, and a level. These fields are optional. Next, click on OK, and the project structure will be created. By default, a first lesson titled Main Documents will be created, and inside it, an activity titled Main. These main activities will be displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. To begin adding content to the project, enter Edit Mode by clicking on the pencil icon located on the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can then add sessions by creating new lessons. Fill in the lesson's title and click on OK. Here you can add as many activities as you want. These sessions will be displayed at the bottom of the screen and can be browsed horizontally. Each session is divided into two areas, the student area and the teacher area. You can then create activities inside each lesson. To create an activity in the students area, select New Activity. Add a title and click on OK. Once created, it will be shown on the student area. To create an activity in the teacher area, check the Only Visible to the Teacher option while filling in the Create Activity fields. In this instance, the activity will only be shown in the teacher area. This will be shown alongside a T. You can then edit the activity's properties at any time by clicking on the pencil icon. Customize your project by adding a new background as well as header images for each lesson. To add a background image to your project, click on the Properties icon located on the top toolbar. From the Edit Project window, click on Upload, select an image and click on OK. Close Edit Mode to see how your students will see it. Making sure you are back in Edit Mode, you can also add a header image to each lesson by clicking on the image icon. Load an image from BlinkLearning's repository or upload it from your computer by clicking on Upload on the left-hand side of the screen. Once uploaded, close the Edit Mode to preview it. You can add as many lessons and activities as you want. For further information, email us at help@blinklearning.com.